My freedom is to freedom to be able to nurture my culture and to be able to represent myself as unique.
Real independence for me is coming out from the pathetic zone and acquiring a life I actually wish for.
Real independence for me is getting out of my comfort zone and being able to express myself.
Independence to me is the ability to control your life and make your own decisions.
True independence is when you are in charge of your own expression.
Real independence to me is to have an opportunity to express our thoughts.
Real independence is when an individual can overcome his or her own barriers. Independence is the freedom given to color my ideas.
Real independence is when all the people of the nation are treated equally.
Cherishing and living for something or someone you believe in.
Being able to express my feelings to everyone and being acknowledged by everyone.
Exploring everything without any restriction and providing equal opportunities.
Real independence is right to be yourself and to flap your wings.
Acquiring a life in my own comfortable way out of my pathetic world is called as independence. Happy Independence Day.
Jumping off from adults and living the life which gives me happiness. Happy Independence Day.
The day when no person goes to bed hungry.
The day when the society treats every individual equally.
The day when we abide by the saying service before self is the day we are truly independent.